These are my team members Bindu SP, R. Sania, and Mahalakshmi. Today we are presenting a PBL project titled Login Authentication System with OTP. In today's digital era, protecting user data is very important. Many systems rely only on passwords which are not completely secure. So a project introduced an additional layer of a security using one-time password OTP. This helps in preventing unauthorized access and improves overall system security. Introduction slide. Authentication is the process of verifying a user's identity before granting access. Earlier system used only ಯಾಕೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ರೀಡ್ ಹೇಳಿ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಹೋಯ್ತು ನಂದು ಇನ್ನೊಂದೇ ಒಂದು ಇದಿರೋದು ಅಷ್ಟೇ.
ನಾನೇ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಬಿಡು. ನಾನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ತಗೋ.
Good evening, ma'am. I'm Ritika ji, and these are my team members Bindu SP, Ritika ji, and Mahalakshmi NM. Today we are presenting a PBL project titled Login Authentication System with OTP. In today's digital era, protecting user data is very important. Many systems rely only on passwords which are not completely secure. So our project introduced an additional layer of a security using OTP one-time password. This helps in preventing unauthorized access and improves overall system security. Introduction slide. Authentication is the process of verifying a user's identity before granting access. Earlier system used only single factor authentication, which means only a password, but password have many weaknesses. Users create weak passwords. Same password used on multiple sites, easily stolen using phishing attacks, can be cracked using brute force tools. To overcome this, we use two factor authentication. Two-factor authentication uses something you know, password, and something you have, OTP. This combination makes the system much more secure. Problem identification. The major problem is insecure login system. Issues in traditional system. No pass protection is if password is stolen. High risk of hacking and data theft. Lack of identify verification. Vulnerable to automated attacks. Real world examples. Many users lose accounts because attackers guess or steal password. So we need a system that verifies user identified twice, reduces risk even if password is compromised. This leads to a solution, OTP based authentication. So our solution is to implement a secure login system using OTP based two-factor authentication, where users enters a login credential, system verifies password, OTP is generated dynamically, OTP is sent to registered email, phone. User enters OTP, access is granted only if OTP is correct. This ensures only the genuine user can log in. Next will be continued by Sanya.
Hello, ma'am. Good evening. I am Aruma Sania. I am here to present the methodology of our project. So here it is the methodology. Here it is the flow diagram. The first one, first the user have to log in the page and enter the username and the password. That the password has to be verified. That shows the password validation is done by checking the password. Then after verification of the password, it sends the OTP to the via OTP to the user email or a SMS from which it has been logged in. The After sending the OTP, the user has to enter the OTP through the what through which it has been sent via in email or the SMS. Then after that, after sending after entering the user's OTP, the OTP verifies that it will, if the OTP is correct, access is granted. If it is not, then it access is denied. So here it is the system design. The first, the user enters the password as I told. After that, the server validates the credentials, that whether the OTP is whether the password and the username is correct or not. And then OTP is generated and sent via SMS or email. Then the user enters the OTP through that, and in system verifies the OTP. If it is correct, it access is granted. If it is incorrect, then the access is denied. This is how the login page look like. If here it is, first the user has to enter the username and the Gmail ID and then the password. Here it shows the password is strong or not. And then after the confirmation of the password, the user has it logins. Then this is the dashboard how it looks like. Next, continued by Bindu.
Good evening, ma'am. I'm Bindu SP. I'm presenting you tools and technologies. In this project, we use different tools and technologies to build the OTP-based authentication system. For development, we used VS Code, and for testing API, uh, we used Postman. On the front end, we used HTML, CSS, and JavaScript to design the user interface. For backend development, we use the technologies like Python, Java, and Node.js. Uh, and we use the MySQL and database to store the user data. For OTP generation and sending, we used SMTP for email and SMS API for mobile verification. Next slide. Expected outcome. The expected outcome of this project is to create a secure login system using OTP. It improves the authentication process for adding extra layer of security. So this reduce the risk of the hacking and unauthorized access. It also increase user trust in the system. Additionally, it enables in the real-time OTP verification for faster and safer login. Conclusion. Next slide. The conclusion. OTP based on authentication improves security by adding an extra verification step. It helps prevent unauthorized access and make the system more reliable and real world applications. In the future, this system can be enhanced further or future by adding biometric authentication for for the stronger security. Thank you.
Completed, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. I have some question. Um, what is authentication? Am I audible?
Yes, ma'am. Authentication is a process of verifying the identity of a user, ma'am. Verifying the identity of a user.
Okay. Why is password based authentication not sufficient?
Because the password based authentication alone is not enough because it can be easily stolen or guessed by hackers, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Due to
because
weak
they can be
passwords
easily composed and misused, which make the system less secure, ma'am.
The
and
main
due to
reasons
weak
are weak
passwords
password.
and security threats, these are all the main reasons that the
Ritika,
password
turn on your camera.
authentication is not necessary, is not sufficient.
Okay, why do we use the OTP along with password?
If OTP is done, no ma'am, the through which the user is login, the OTP is sent to that only. So the user can get to know whether it's he is the only who is logging or other person or third party is logging there.
Okay,
And
how
because
is
the password alone is not fully secure, ma'am, because password easily it can be guessed or stolen or hacked, ma'am. But if we keep the OTP, so the OTP comes to our email or our phone, so we have to enter it correctly, ma'am.
okay? How is password generated in your project?
I will show ma'am.
Yes, yes, so show me.
Yeah ma'am, sure. Ma'am, this is the dashboard, the login page. First the user has to enter the name.
Yeah.
If I have logged in from this email for many times, I'm just showing ma'am.
Hmm.
This is the password. It shows just I have entered 1234. It is showing that it is weak password. Again, I'm
Yes.
confirming this password.
Okay.
If I have registered, the users the notification will pop up that the user already registered with this email. I will change the email address and the password too.
Okay.
Now I'm adding. So this is the password, ma'am. It shows that the password strength is medium. So again, I'm doing the same thing here. When I registered, the registration is successfully, and then it shows to continue the login page. Now I'm going to login page. Again going some through the same email register. Now the OTP is generated, ma'am. This is the demo, so it will be showing here demo OTP like this only. Now later we will develop in the direct. It has to come in the email, via email or via SMS. I will enter the OTP, ma'am, here. So I will enter wrong OTP first. It shows the verify the invalid OTP. If I enter the new OTP, then it will be generated, and it shows like this the last login when I was logged, and the security is two-factor based security, and what is the email which I have logged in, and the account review,
See, what
and
is
notification of
see,
all
what
them.
is the validity period of OTP?
1 minute, ma'am.
Okay, why it is important?
Sorry, ma'am.
Because
Why it is
hackers,
important?
1 minute, ma'am.
See, the period is okay. Why it is important?
because ma'am, within that time, if we enter the OTP, to know that ma'am, in our phone only we are entering.